All right, guys. So, for those of you who know how to use Google Classroom and you know how to check the stream and classwork, you can go ahead and just log off of here. Okay. For those of you who need help, this is for you. So, um, my Google Classroom may look a little bit different than Miss Miller's, which is perfectly fine, but I know we do a little bit things similarly. I know she uses Google Meet. I do not. I use Microsoft Teams. So with that being said, in the stream, there's only information that you crucially need to know. That usually is just like what's available during that meet time and then the link. Okay. So like up here, it'll say, you need to come to the live session and prepare yourself to have questions about the assignment, review the assignment together. You do the questions, and then tells you what chapters you need to read and so forth. And then here's the link. And it's always the first thing you see. It's not going to be buried in the stream. It's always the first thing. Now, if you have Miss Miller, it's probably in the banner up here, and it's probably a Google Meet code. So you'll just click on it. So classwork. I put everything under title. So if you have me, this is what mine looks like. So you have a weekly journal for the second 6 weeks. You need to make sure you're getting that done unless you come to live sessions on Thursdays to earn a weekly journal pass. But you have to earn that weekly journal pass. It's not just you come and attend. It's you coming and telling me your favorite part of the current chapters or like your favorite moment and then telling me why. But you have to like explain it. And you can't just like give me like, oh, I liked this part and then not have a reason. So, resources and text. Your book is always available to you. Anything that you need is always available to you here. So the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian, that's the PDF. It's always going to be there. However, each week there's an ed puzzle. And the ed puzzle is available to you each week that you have to read certain chapters. So you read the chapters through the ed puzzle and you answer the questions. And then you do the assignment. So there's usually like one major assignment, your reading journal, and then your ed puzzle. And then I make a weekly video with a quiz. And I think Ms. Miller does the same thing. I know she did it a few weeks ago, so I'm assuming she's continued doing so. So you watch the video and then you answer the questions. If you don't follow along with the video and you don't look at the slideshows and you don't do your assignments, you are going to get further and further behind. And we have our Google Classroom set up to where it is really easy to use. It's organized and you can tell what you're missing because all you got to do is go to your grades and then it'll tell you what you're missing. If it says 0, that means you didn't do it, or maybe you did do it, but you did it wrong. So it's up to you all to meet us halfway. We can only do so much, and then it's up to you to do the rest. So if you do need help, you need to reach out. You come to live sessions, email, use Remind app, use School Connects, write inside your assignments. That's simple enough. I get notifications to my email saying that you've messaged me. And then after I've replied, I delete it. That way I know I've talked to you. So if I have a notification from you in my email and it shows that I haven't spoken to you, that's because I haven't replied. So then I'm like, oh, okay, I need to respond to this. So I'll respond to it and then I'll delete the email. So there's ways for you all to get a hold of us. You just have to reach out. I have no idea if you need help unless you say so, because it's harder for me as a teacher to understand if you need help being where I'm at. So if I was in the classroom, I would be able to move around and like talk to you guys and get a true feel about like where you're struggling and actually getting to know you all better. So like, bear with us. We're doing the best we can. We need you to do the best you can. So if you're having trouble at home, like maybe there's internet issues, you're sharing a computer, you need to reach out to us and let us help you figure that out. Because if you are sharing a computer, you shouldn't be. Or if you're having internet issues, maybe if we could get a hold of the school for you to see if we still have hotspots available for you all to use. So there's so many things for you all to, we have so many things in place for y'all to be successful, and I feel like it's not being used. And if you could just reach out to us and let us know, then we could better, help you. Um, so I made a previous video, and that video was for my classes only. So please go watch that if you need to. And it's also kind of about this, but it's also about like what I'm expecting every week. And this week is more of like, or this video is more like me talking to everybody. Like, this is me and Miss Miller. We always use Google Classroom. We even when we're in the school building, we use it. Like, we use our Chromebooks every day. So just make sure that whatever we assign, you're completing and you're getting done. Like, it's not, we don't give you a ton of work after, reviewing the work. If we were at school, you'd have way more work than what's on here. So please make sure that you're getting your work done. And if you need to, I will create another video and explain how to organize your time. Okay. So I could give you an example, and we could, like, you can even go off a teacher schedule, because on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I teach classes 1 through 4th period. And then on Wednesdays, Fridays, I have one class to teach, like in live session. So if I have that much time on Wednesday, Friday, what do you think I'm doing? I'm grading, and I'm exporting it into Infinite Campus. I'm getting in touch with students. I'm replying to messages. All that stuff can be done on those 2 days because I have more time. Whereas on Tuesday, Thursdays, they're a little bit more packed with things to do. So, like, organize your time, advocate, ask for help, and use your stream. Go to classwork, look at the topic section, see what you're missing, turn it in. Okay? Have a good day, guys. Reach out if you need us.